Hey guys, welcome to another video of learning how to learn. In the previous video, I told you how to memorize dative prepositions, and in this video, I will be telling you how to memorize accusative prepositions. Let's get into it. For this, let's consider a very stupid story. There is this group of dogs within which one dog has his birthday party and he's giving his friend's birthday party by arranging buffet. So basically it's a party and the name of the party is dog buffet, and that's the word, dog buffet. And now this is the abbreviation, and each alphabet of this consists of accusative prepositions. Let's see how. Dog, D-O-G, in which D stands for durch. O stands for owner. G stands for gegen. So that was the full form of dog, durch, owner, gegen. So that was the full form of dog. And now the other word is buffet, B-U-F-E. And the full form of buffet will be B stands for bis. U stands for F stands for für. And E stands for entlang. So this is how you can learn accusative prepositions very easily by just memorizing this word, dog buffet. Durch, owner, gegen, bis, für, entlang. So if this video has helped you in any way, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button below. See you next time.